Hey, back. Last video on my 99 ugly duckling video. Just to show you I completed everything on the motor. I'm going to start it up. I hooked up a key switch. Same housing in there. Got the kill working on the tiller, so that works. I'm waiting on just a decal for the throttle band. Should be getting any day in the mail. I did everything I had to, you know, pretty much on this thing. It's my favorite word, pretty much. What I ended up doing in the front, I cut out the what was left of the decal and just took out the little wedge symbol, put on a low speed, and then I just found the rubber plug for this hole. I just put it in just before and finished that end of it. But I got it now so where the kill button works. I wired it right into the harness by the coils on the right side and the back, and just pretty much hooked up the key switch, you know, 6 wires, and I checked the charge circuit to make sure it was charging when it was running. So I'm going to put this one in up for sale very soon and moving on its way. Sometimes I wish I should have painted the cover, but I don't want it to look totally brand new. After all, it's a 31-year-old motor, but she runs really good. And say goodbye to this one. Adios, amigos. Thanks for watching.